The electric vehicle market is expanding rapidly, driving the demand for efficient battery manufacturing. Balluff's automation components improve every phase of production, making your processes future-proof and ensuring the highest battery quality. In electrode manufacturing, IO-Link-enabled condition monitoring sensors provide slurry mixer status to prevent downtime and eliminate the need for manual inspections. Throughout the coating process, RFID helps you to correctly identify electrode foils, while optoelectronic and ultrasonic sensors monitor material availability to prevent interruptions. During calendering, copper and zinc-free IO-Link masters capture sensor data in real time, while digital position indicators enable fast format changes. And smart lights provide a visual indication of the machine status. For anode and cathode notching, RFID ensures that the right tooling for the right product variant is used, preventing expensive errors. In the stacking process, compact fork sensors ensure accurate component placement, and magnetic field sensors to ensure accurate welding tool alignment, all contributing to an error-free production line. In cell aging, hundreds of thousands of finished battery cells are stored for weeks to detect quality problems. Our magnetic encoded positioning system enables precise robotic handling of battery cells, while optical sensors provide accurate positioning for stacker cranes, enabling efficient pallet handling. In addition, IO-Link hubs digitally connect sensor signals to maintain optimal temperatures throughout the aging process. During robotic assembly of battery modules and packs, inductive couplers provide wear-free signal and power transmission, while photoelectric proximity switches reliably detect the individual battery cells. Finally, industrial RFID systems track the battery packs on the conveyor belt, ensuring complete transparency throughout the production process. Increase your overall equipment effectiveness and maximize your cost efficiency in battery manufacturing with Balluff.